let's take some quick derivatives. Some people might have already gotten this from class, but just to confirm, just so we're all on the same page, a derivative with respect to x of the square root of x times cosine of x, this is a product rule, right? When I ask you trig derivatives, I could totally ask it in the context of a product rule or a quotient rule. And then later on in section 3.4, I could even ask chain rule problems that involve trig derivatives. Although I would not ask a chain rule problem in the section 3.3 because we haven't learned the chain rule yet. Anyway, we take the derivative of the first term, leave the second the same, then leave the first term the same, take the derivative of the second term. Note that the derivative of the second term is negative cosine of x, or sorry, negative sine of x. I just put the negative sign out in front like that. Save myself some work. This looks a little nicer. Okay. Now for this one, number 4, no easy way to go about doing this. I would not recommend foiling this out and having a bunch of little product rules to deal with. Just do one product rule. I won't ask you to simplify. But I will be good and write it all out again. I want to set a good example. So we're going to take the derivative of the first part, cosine of x. Then be a little careful here, right? The derivative of negative cosine of x is plus sine of x. Leave that second term alone. Now, leave the first term alone. Remember, e of the x is its own derivative, of course. And leave that. That's how you do it. Some trig derivatives.